guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications in the Blackview color 8. So if you don't receive your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now check that we have the DND mode deactivated. This moon icon. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Let's start from notifications, check that we have this switcher activated, if not, switch it on. Then go to the additional settings. Now pay attention that we have activated hybrid notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Turn on and restrict data usage. If you still don't have alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Tap on OK. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check that you're receiving the alerts. If still not, let's open the settings. Then go to the system and choose reset options. Tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset network settings and tap on the reset settings again. In the last step, you can also try to update your system. So go to the system update and click on the check for update button. If you have any, install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.